Excuse me, sir. May I talk to you?
Sure, why not? Please, how may I help you?
I'm from Dhaka and I'm new here and I don't know where the sea beach is. So could you please tell me where's the sea beach?
Sure, why not? Yeah. So the sea beach is actually about 3 kilometers west from here. So you can go there by taking an easy bike or a rickshaw from here. There are many rickshaws and easy bikes actually. So you can take anyone to go there. So you can also tell to the driver or to the rickshaw puller that you want to go to the sea beach. Then the driver or the rickshaw puller will take you there. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. May I know your name, please?
Sure, why not? Yeah, I'm forhadul and I live in Cox's Bazar. I'm from Cox's Bazar actually.
I'm Miss Marma and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please.